ɔde nneɛma egu ɔma nti yɛnkɔ ne yɛnhwɛ sɛ yɛn nsa bɛka na ne yɛn edi nkɔm. Bernard, good morning. Yɛnhwɛ sɛ line ne dem sisi anaa. Lawyer Bennett, good morning. Obeke test the mic 1 2 1 2. But you're yanka.
I'm a tonka, but many sure line okay.
Oh, and you okay. Okay. Your mind just see maka crazy yin try your hookah cra. Send your motel line in your cane. Yin try your hookah cra. TT4 baby will be an OTA de quid. Yen say, Sebe, ubitimi HCA BWF or more details. Now, we see Ubonium Nanium near with their no rewind. So we're gonna just flip around, we say, do a cartwheel, a yalan colana epe cartwheel. I mean, just normally Sadia National normal whiny sign. We're just gonna go on a little cartwheel, come back, and we'll just simply go ahead and talk to Lawyer Bernard, Bernard. Into baby will be a Rainbow Radio, baby will be a Fred Adolfo, Ebusha for in your num necachon say, Yenny BWF Solicitors, and Emma Betrin Como. Into baby will be a please stay tuned, stay connected. Once again, this Rainbow Radio. My name is Jojo Emmanuel Lawson. Don't you touch that down.
Sit back, enjoy the show while.
Don't touch that dial.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
Ano pay si uti in sisia a high BWF yan ko yinim na yan hwese ye line ebeko ye amane ne BWF Solicitors wo mo penino a odano no obi beka, the founder, the CEO, and of course literally the owner. So let's talk to Lawyer Bernard. Ano pay yan hwese line ayoke amaya Lawyer Bernard mpacho uti yan kan say.
Jojo, wait there, apologies. There were technical issues. I mean, but I don't know, I play up. Anyway, yes, it's resolved until hopefully, you wait me akasa. And then I make
Amen.
my
Yes.
update back on my expedited
Yeah.
service priority for
Mm-hmm.
British citizenship. Until 30 days, no my area. The other update, Yenia Davis, Oba, how do we do airport, Omujina, no, limited leave or her twice. Omujina, no. Last one, the Omujina, no, beside no questions are for 30 minutes. Eventually, the Omo call court to say home office, and this Omo, yes, sir. Enti Omutia compensation for that. Enti so we do airport now, was sitting on the BIA home office, Jinawa, Obit Medioma court. The final one, the person make no, yeah, graduate route. No. First, no, now Oba has a student. Now, or switch echo post study, first, a friend post study work. So, see, a friend graduate route. No. Na owo koraa na nka wontumi mfa wo banka ho sisi a wobɛwo wɔ ha a wobɛtumi de wo ba no aka ho nti saa nneɛma wei nyinaa for us no ɛyɛ good news ma yɛnuanom ghanafoɔ a ɛwɔ kurom.
Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, that's it, baby. Ube say, adofo kuye mayen sisi ayana emrana ibuana kutia yen, but sisi adi kuye mayen. I think this is a very good update. Lawyer Bernard Ediato amayen. Inti sisi ana o tuning in and I say also ube say radio and I say ode car station ato and I say unyane ebi alcohol night na unyane sisi ana ode to a higher rainbow radio wa onim dada na ebi anene day dikan yeni BWF Solicitors and a din komo and pay what update now or their tour amayen inti ube kan your school near say introduction ya called main body na just say be a diane nanka side a war na you be tie niama or the beto amayen na you sin na you be to me at the sonny son niama so ayede at the ayade inti fanta for baka the baby will be a fawaswa to her ni nkoyenyim ni nsia nyama ai or from Jojo Emmanuel Lawson. Until once again, young court near Yebra Pinyin, lawyer Bernard Nian in Common non chaying and some Kasa or the Batu Edra Anupe na Yede Ishian Zakakraka. Inti lawyer Bernard my queen. Thank you so much.
Yo, now and your topic, I have very straightforward. Ma, you will be a friend of the 14-day rule. Tiadia ya say application na if you more refuse so ultimate appeal, ultimate administrative review. But any will be a was to me no to be or na application no na wu na opeso ya application na yes be or a friend of 14-day rule. Na 14-day rule no na me pese me chechire mu kakra. The first thing is a 14-day rule no. First, now paragraph 39E of the immigration rules is your money about part suitability, abbreviation here SUI, into the 13.1. I know that may focus on. Dear can I say, who overstay, what overstay? Untimi nye juma, untimi and rent it, and our bank account cry bit me to overstay even by 1 hour, and we overstay. However, for applications, so we overstay, more opportunities, say overstay now, overstay now, number of days, and yeah, more than 14 days. Now, our reason here, we overstay now, so application, but I want to method. In Crawford Brave Phil says 14 days, say, you fancy a mama sitting, maybe I am mama 2.5 years. I will say 4th of January. Na makoyam application 19th of January. Na say a woo 15 days. What I'm say 18th of January. A woo 4th. But obia say okay, your 14-day rule into on my application later. Problem is say who overstay or overstay. And say who overstay for even 1 day crana while overstay. What it means is say who overstay for 1 day crana. One way overstay into won't be near Juma, won't be rented. A whole enemy focus and the first thing I'm supposed to be a year sure say what your application na eku woman sama we okay. I don't know 14 days sama make income. So what your fee waiver now assetna now what your fee waiver na we okay. because it will be a friend of section 3C, where your immigration rules now. There were several laws. The main one is the 1971 Act, a friend immigration law. And no section 3C, I say obi an application, not date our application, na setena no ngui. Tiam fan say wasetena bewu ene date ya ene 16th.
16.
Na ene no why your application. Na ekọ we are covered. From a chinade kono we are covered. Ultimate cost ye adwuma, ultimate rent. However, we no a china 17th wa overstay. All those 14 days in a cover. So 14 days in a cover. A cover because when you overstay by time almost your application. But and cover so bet me a year a juma. And to more yam application, I will be catching say 14-day rule. No. Until we after within 14 days, are we okay? When you're okay. When you're okay because we need to be in your share code view. When you're okay because a juma will be for share code bra, wouldn't be. When you're okay because all rented down say and I would do dinner ya on proof say ultimate na kromoha, ultimate share. And those are the problems me pesa ye highlight. The final problem no say 1 year application for indefinite stay or 5 years. Into 5 years no, at the end of the 5 years no, we application for indefinite stay. Now we do 5 years and so every time we are overstay, we are fine. But we did 5 years, 11 months, 350 days. Now I overstay by 14 days. What's our cost start to be? I'm afraid it's a break in a woman, a breaky or dates no. Until we will be a waware bema oba. And I say we a student to her now we a work permit holder. Yamao 3 years and I 2.5. Yasama 2.5. Woman whoop will start the process all over again. The sad thing is so we have application no even 1 day after our overstay now. Between time our year any time our decision no we overstay. And it could be 6 months or what overstay for 6 months. It could be 1 month or what overstay for 1 month. It could be 2 years or what overstay for 2 years. And counter to us of 5 years and now 10 years. And a year crucial. So we will be a what now person will be a cotorting. Boom, problem. Oh, match it to us on definite stay and our British citizenship. You sure say we won't overstay. Why? Why? Because your case law be brave. Well, the first one a case of mosque. So our mosque no 2020 citation Court of Appeal. I say 14 day now you demand protection. First na 39E. This year SUI 13.1. A umbrella and I say a shield. Just be a shoulder, a cover. Say, refuse your application, say we are illegal. To want to mean refuse your application, say we are illegal. But we are illegal. Which means that for a Juma, we are illegal. For renting, we are illegal. For indefinite stay, we are illegal. For British citizenship, we are illegal.
Wow.
Because a shield and a sword. The difference is a sword no what they come, but shield no they protect you. The amount of protection, say we overstay there, but you be show application nim ama yen wasu. But next time no, open house where the 5 years you better remind us say Jojo, 3 years ago, we your application no overstay by 2 days. Application be di ye ho no. Yes, you hwemu for 6 months. Into overstay by 6 months, 2 days. 2 days. It will start to process all over again. This is the simplest form, but the impact is devastating. Because can you imagine? So what you now won't be nyejuma because ojuma won't be more share code. Omo employee checking service ECS and no fill form online or ɔmɛba sɛ woyɛ illegal. ɛno nkyerɛ sɛ be refuse your application because within the body of the law no, under section 13 part 13 saa part na aka sɛ obi a overstay wɔ kurom ha ɛyɛ grounds for refusal. The sad thing for me sɛ see I apply to parents nti first no wɔ British child now I overstay for even 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years nobody cares. Once I was British child and I obey 7 years for her and I obey one indefinite stay and I obey EU pre-settled status ɛyɛ automatic see the member sisi ɛnyɛ automatic bio wa overstay a ebetimi atwe waso enti Jojo ɛnɛ we na mpɛ sɛ mede ma but a question wɔ hɔ na wɔ sɛ me ma further explanation I'm happy to do it.
Wonderful. Etifo ubesie asɛm no ne de ato hɔ no overstay no yana ubesie abuyi trima ya dwuma ya ntiaseɛ but ɛnɛ yɛnkɔ so na yɛnyɛ den yɛmbie full line no sɛ bɛyɛ yi a sɛ wopɛ sɛ wofrɛ ya telephone numbers ne 0208 226 0484 0208 226 0484. Ubetumi afrayen we obesia free legal advice. Say wunim so yewo WhatsApp line ebia na wodie utie fi bebia ebia na line en shedan koyin na wo internet access. Internet access. Ubetumi afrayen ewo WhatsApp line which is 0777 7 near me and 19509890 0777 1950989 ana landline nibium a ubetumi afreyen no 0208 226 0484 0208 226 0484 and our WhatsApp line nibium a 0777 1950989 and pay yene BWF Solicitors and a train komo inti etifo baby will be no will be to me ayeden afrayen na ode o question na to amayen senebeya lawyer Bernard ebitimi eyiwano fefefe esane say nsesaye ebe die ebu na etwi anase ekan ye nyinara sebe ye pay and krata idie na wo see yedi emra so se ne be bibia be den ebe koso fefefe nti anope bibia wo bia wo betumi afrain 0208 226 0484 0208 226 0484 and our WhatsApp line nibium a 0777 19 50 989 and a pay yentie ni anko yenima se wunima lawyer Bernard neti akonya no so na yene train komo your friend Jojo Emmanuel Lawson. Good morning anope your caller mpacho good morning.
Good morning, Jojo Mpacho. Me channel lawyer nyina.
Yedasi bebre. Pacho ma question on koso mayen.
Me pacho yo. Na me see lawyer in chichiri mu na me pacho kan lawyer bit ma clarify bibi kakra ma me and we see now work no. Say for the sake me tifie na me rent ni nyanson. Nti yenyan check me fanse be wu next month. Na nkraka no so me di 2 na wu. Per the lawyer can see period check here mean to mean tenefie wana na say my as my confused kaka another romance be a bit much me ya mamia.
That's it.
Yo first of all no obia oye migrant to kromo ha bia no so wo rent down
say o Mike ni mute kaka.
No me mute you no me mute you check your hono
Brown Pacho Gina so my near her say lawyer Pacho
what you mean ka
they be until come me to me say one no corner pre bananso until one kanti
because
okay brilliant
My
Okay,
mute.
brilliant. Abasi say wonderful, wonderful. Inti
Okay.
edem yinano maya inti yedem. Thank you.
Enti obi a rent dan wo kromo ha bia te sɛ wokɔpɛ adwuma ɛwɔ sɛ woma share code for renting enti sɛ wokɔ rent dan na woma share code no na wo share code no ɛwɔ date a yɛde bɛwu a landlord no wɔ sɛ ɔsan check wo bio enti sɛ ɔcheck wo na woyɛ wo application na wo vest na kyerɛ sɛ wontumi mma no share code no wontumi amma no share code a wontumi check you and that is a problem yes.
Okay, now let me patrol 3C, you know, a bomb by what Jumam Kwana, so the bed church mamma application them one, or Darama.
3C no ɛbɔ ho ban wɔ w'asetena ho a w'asetena no bɛtoa so sɛ wowɔ lawful residence a na kyerɛ sɛ wotumi yɛ adwuma wotumi rente nti 3C nankasa no ɛnyɛ for adwuma anaa for rental ɛyɛ for w'asetena nti obi a ɔwɔ ha a ɔyɛ lawful ɔte ha lawfully biara no ɔwɔ ho kwan sɛ ɔyɛ adwuma na ɔrente dan nti 3C ɛyɛ for w'asetena asetena nso na yɛde yɛ adwuma and yɛde pɛ dan.
Okay, no, I'm patrol my last question, but the patch me. Let us say, so car tiny be worth and so 2.5 a parent route. Now, cabe 3 months, I'm a new one. Also, your application and I or time I would say, what did you do me patrol? Send a bear winning.
Okay, it is what I tell me for several years now. There's no limit to your application. Into your amount 2.5 now, I can have your application of it. Nobody cares. Now, so your application, the almost share end no, you indefinite no. Say a 5-year route, a person has what 5 years in so. Say a 10-year route, a person has what 10 years route now. The problem I want to say delay or to be an application. Now could be 6 months and 1 year. It be great to be more than 1 year. And because maybe a year with the intent, possibly the 3 months before, or memo extension, or moncast time and so into young farmer. Or be a person an application, even 3 months before, there's nothing stopping it. Because for me, because it's a problem, so why you're careful, now there's nothing wrong with it. Because still bet me a juma, bet me a rent it. But quine and a winter mean too. 2 pen and tema, I always give a cut-off period of 3 months because I just want to call you near the amount. Except say be a priority service, of course. So we a priority service 3 months crowd. Bet me I just be mindful. So we can 10 years now, then so 10 years now. Now so we can top up. I don't know idea for here because our 10-year router, you're looking at 4 renewals. Be more almost 4 renewals, almost 3 renewals. Because first one I demand no. Second one I call that 2 years. Third one I call that 2 years. And two the bobo boma 2.5, 2.5, 5 years plus 4 years. No, I just say within 9 years. To be honest, within the next 1 year, no, even our application at the for another 2.5 years. Not 10 years now. The first one, so on. Obey me, I indefinite leave. No, I withdraw. No, I generate IHS refund, which is about 2,587. The advice I made him will be and say, kind from date now, the first 2.5 years, man. So over 5 years, I only a kind free. Over 10 years, I only a kind free. I kind 10 years and I say 5 years.
Okay, that's a parallel.
Okay.
Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, that's a baby. Brad say what free and no pay. That's a pa. And no pay say Uti in Sisia a higher Rainbow Radio. Yeah, from me Jojo Emmanuel Lawson. Yeah, the BWF Solicitors and train como and I say any din como. We see legal advice in the whole untiare. And of course, near lawyer at Chehon and some anopay will be to me a friend. Number near 0208 226 0484 0208 226 0484 and that's a WhatsApp line 0777 1950989 means this will be 0777 50989 if you me friend me Jojo Emmanuel Lawson any lawyer Bernard any train and come on yeah call back our line so call Pacho good morning. Oh, Sister Mpacho, me shinya me mpacho na unswe. Wonderful.
Medase.
Me pacho, this my question is me brady or the answering it be room. Nampacho, be room no. Me
Sampacho
application or
peja onene kakrevi maya why minim se onene ya de
me
he ba peja so kakra. Thank you.
pacho, me brady or the answering be room now I overstay. Now me pacho ni name no ni documents no gada no. Unim so the our rate for so na se wan fa our rate to so because you say when you would be a wow or British child or ne boa manisha akran tina obisa say like or person any ya worry but only so they or no worry ushi to nim so they to so and answer one to some but no obisa so betini any document the free if you can see or you overstay and esa or more very when and say obetini ma a bank or ben mo ma I requested for near manu or the worry to so our kwaku divorce. And I'm a patron, 2.5 2 years evidence, no, the patron or 1.5 now on them are to the same house, but over 5 months and they're not a different house. We'll be to the account and I want China on them are 2 years, no, but China not in the question,
That's it.
Okay, well, first of all, minim the India obi abaha wa fill in for my application, only information of the goods. So, that's very, very strong. What's it? And the first thing is a person who say no a warrior on requesting the name obit me about lawyer or not lawyer. Yes, sir, subject access request man. Now requirement no say more date for 2 years. And yet but more evidence more date here. It be almost for 1.5 years, but more other evidence say more date for 2 years. Obit me at the bear in mind say I don't know unye divorce cross still bet me aye but was so chess or worry back on a good which means almost separate meanwhile oba no Ghana it is very likely so almost separate but my advice is I also contact a lawyer why a person friend absolutely bet me a friend why
Sister Pacho ho tienka.
but trying to
Nti na lawyer ka say obetumi aba ne ho anaso obetumi aba BWF na brilliant. Nti that's it pa enjoy your day wa that's it pa so afre that's it pa thank you and pay so wuti a higher Rainbow Radio so wini ma ye ne BWF Solicitors in a din komo and pay Emmanuel Empre say good morning me team pa our Facebook no so but baby I will be out to me afraid 0208 2260484 0208 2260484 and now say will be to me afraid our WhatsApp line no so 0377 1950989 0377 50989 and our landline nibium a 0208 2260484 will be to me afraid na oni o question no ato ho obesie na ye di amount obesi ye bidi wasem amount sisia lawyer Bernard Etia you from me Jojo Emmanuel Lawson yenko yinime yo caller bako e line so good morning caller.
Good morning.
Good morning, Pacho.
What's your name?
Pacho.
Michael.
Oh, yeah, that's it, bro, Michael. That's it, baby. Pacho, I want to say. Oh, yeah.
To lawyer Ben, so
thank you.
My boy,
thank you.
For legal advice. I'm the man in the account.
Thank you. Thank you. Amen. Amen. Amen.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it, baby. I don't pay for a question at all, man.
Okay. Where the concern if I have to on a skilled worker visa in 2022 now. A Juma sense me identity. Me breach me visa 20 hours rule no. Me breach because now original company now the buyer no not a Juma ho. It had to be working from other companies. I'm here more than the 20 hours no because I came with a family. You know sure. But later on, somewhere in 2024, the switch call NHS. I've been working all right over there. But my problem is breach now. My breach is at 20 hours. Meaning first, it's going to be a big problem when applying for ILR, which will be due in next year. Now, I know that mama very worried. Kakra. In terms of me, so lawyer advice Ben or in case your application or more refuse, what's the options you've got? And I said, what's the best? Is there any chance because of the breach, you can get a successful ILR application? And I said,
Well, I mean, first of all, so we are 20 hours now. Not it's very unlikely some be used against you. And I won't be so concerned, sir, on be used against you. All you need to do is sure, we have applications, on time. So never overstay. Overstay then a critical. But so I do man up to now, they are very unlikely some mature. Why?
Oh, okay. I think maybe there is so much concern, and
Well, any idea what's away yet, but why you need to just get on with it. Men stress over time no do not BBC. You deal with it at the time. Why?
oh, okay. Time to do so over to
No problem.
All right, that's it, lawyer. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. Yeah, that's a bit brave. So what free? And pay so utia your name BWF Solicitors and I train como. Will be to me afraid a number nibio me 008-226-0484 020-822-60484 and our WhatsApp line maybe will be to me I then afraid be na uyejumana signal link kuya now or internet or Wi-Fi will be to me afraid our WhatsApp line 03777 7 near me and 1950989. You're from me, Jojo Emmanuel Lawson. Anope, young court, near pick call. Call and Pacho, good morning. Call and Pacho, oh, Otienka, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, and Pacho, I want to say. Oh. Yeah, Shinyame. For our question to Lawyer Bernard, are you ready?
The question is, we need farming. Now, Eunice in film rules. Now, the only median best for members next year, December 15th. And now, it is now, and to play a cafe, maybe I would need you can do the application. 3 months after our time, no. Some of them figure no I possible Sarah Patois.
Oh, yeah, also, then a baby next year, December, no. Then I was.
Lawyer Bernard said, then a bit next year, no. At the Bain.
Me near man America, mechanic man, I'm 5 years with.
Lower radio no wage Miami because I'm saying yet to which the Honor Kakra and so lower na Senebea will be to me.
If I was a Eunice, 5 years with in Carter and in Carter. Now, me the man next year, December, and I mean in film with the song. Now, maybe I got the after ball, who must say. And I'm I could be if I'm not mistaken now, I say. Which my 3 months and Sunday be a time now. And I say, be a Senate, the train 16 December, and maybe I'm
I am saying question I be say a renewal and you're indefinite. Indefinite, say I will say 5 years, I will say 5 years. I will say 10 years, I will say 10. 2 years, my examples. Extension. We no cry some America won't come because we near immigration rules.
Rapping unti and count, lawyer Ben and Pacho hold on. Unti and count, Oti and Kana. And into hold on that lawyer and you are no into Odi so not lawyer and you are not or you are no into lawyer and Pacho, no my head. Thank you.
Yeah, I feel Timenka.
Hello, Unti and count. Okay, into unim dia yebe You be hang up na lawyer you are no into now wait here on your radio na be out here no nti you be hang em say line in nti lawyer be you are no sisi nti obetimi tie ho. You that's be thank you.
Okay.
Lawyer
And just who apply for indefinite leave? Wouldn't me apply in term? In term na me case will be to me extension to be our extension. In fact, EU for asma make a cromon can be more immigration rules. If I say about 2.5 years, what the 2 years, 3 months, I'll bet my extension. Say I'm out, you find a 10-year route. Sometimes on your application, I beat me got 1 year. So I be check around, still now we okay. You know. Till I make us a bit me enter because no be anywhere case won't mean your application. Indefinite leave, and I have 5 years, now only 5 years, I won't mean yet. And our 10 years route, now only 10 years, I won't mean yet. But extension there, any time I'll pass your extension there, will be to me. And Jojo, explanation.
Yes. Brilliant. Thank you so much. You're the best, Potokasa. And I pay so utia BWF yene lawyer Bernard and a train common din como otia kunyano so fefe. Ubeti me afraying 0208 226 0208 226 0484 0208 226 0484 and our WhatsApp line 0377 1950989 7 near me and so 7 year means 0377195089. You're from me, Jojo Emmanuel Lawson. Young Koswe, ni Kole in Dinkomo. Kolam Pacho, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mommy.
Thank you, Uncle Ben. Uncle Ben, good morning.
Good morning.
My Pacho, I'm going to say, my dear sister. Yeah, it's still quite an amazing show, Cano. A year for Wama, and I'm at home, come any adject. Men I may be me fryer, and no casaya. Now, Simon Camembra. Now, me know the boy make a class, give me fryer or no. My person, me banner. Or banner, and we hear all the mammy, no, I mean, who said. That me banner said, we know what, me back. And Tina, my tongue, I may get, me say, boo. Appointments, you know, my be home. I kakra na waya mama because to say member and I'm afraid I see being go school me got talk computer na me nsia ansa na ma me hunia me timi aye no and I say member no
You where the ahe o age ahe o age ahe o fe
papa me ba ho me ba be ho me bronze me
Yo, Mommy, your dassy, so Babadi and your dassy be brave, so I fret. Mommy, your dassy, so I fret, and no pay Mommy, so baba. So we tea, ubit me afraid, Mommy, Yamin shall be brave, so I fret. Ubit me afraid 0208 226 0484 0208 226 0484 and 07719 50989. Ebiana udia unye wajin say ubeba sisi upe say udi lawyer edin komo ansana waba ubetimi afraye. Inti right here ubetimi afraye na oni edin komo from Jojo Emmanuel Lawson. Ya ni lawyer Bernard eni edin komo BWF Solicitors. Anope yen ko yinime ni eni caller back edin komo. Good morning, caller.
Good morning.
Good morning. Pacho what to say? Oh, ye shinyame. Ye dasi be brace our friend. Pacho, my question and also am I? Thank you.
Pacho, last time this uncle said, my brother at the skilled work visa dependent nearby. Now, Obano desert to do some more renew Obano. A friend now for the past year, she's refused to communicate with us. They went to leave, they went check. If you have none of the police, what options have you got?
Option there, I difficult to. I was so no compare Juma.
Uti lawyer Emma Umwaye nti lawyer Emma Umwaye nti obesen sisubium nti lawyer Pacho sisubium mai.
Options there are very limited. Say ono anya na adwuma anaasɛ ɔno nso ahyia obi wɔ ha a ɔware no a ɛyɛ okay. That's the only thing I made me aka. Sometimes, I have BB or who will be to me. I know you're temporary, maybe for 90 days and about 100 days. But I was say or switch it, I call no one juma, and I say we share will be or her, or better than I are. But they met me a can and say, I won't power meet me a friend, and I'll meet me a friend lawyer, Bell, now Marco. Now I hear about.
Okay, yeah, that's it, baby. Mommy say wa frey that's it. Mo in at the ho am I. Inti anope se wutia a high rainbow radio calls not bad about my idea. Ubeti me afrey and also so give say get it off your chest and get it on air. Nyame every shall be brave because lawyer Bernard Etha 02082260484 02082260484 03771950 yani lawyer Bernard any din komo from me Jojo Emmanuel Lawson yani caller back and good din komo caller but good morning caller.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning Pacho want to say wonderful me nyame me dasi bebre Pacho lawyer aji akunya why ready what's your lawyer
Joso.
Wonderful. Lawyer Joseph.
But my wife, it is skill worker visa nearby.
Ye tilpa wife at the skilled worker visa and by ye tilpa. Say what teko ne line etiko anope se utia say corner ba neba de munyina se yenko ne ne kola ba ko so enkodi nkomo kola no kra me picking the line kra we dey say oh free Ghana line no a bit feeble kakra weak kakra but anyway yenko ne entra kola mpacho good morning.
Good morning.
Wonderful pacho now what to say. Oh, Pacho, me nyame. Nyame, and shall be. That's it. Lawyer, are you ready? I'll be you, my.
Yo, Lawyer Ben, Pacho, my partner, I will see you as so our UK, but due to the nature of my job in T, every 6 months, be I'm back, be 1 month, if we have 2 weeks, my back. Now, person who say 5 years and so now say me call me indefinite. Is it going to affect me in any way? And I'll pay my question on.
Now also assistant Ben also.
But I say
assistant Ben now.
My partner no, but me because of the nature of my job and inti. Sana but person me relocate finally. Now person who say me buy indefinite be affect me and I say 5 years and now say for.
Lawyer say assistant Ben and now
assistant Ben as in no on na me nkola no anti person adwane no finally sana me patch.
It's lawyer
no Ghana say or Ghana say no.
O say aya oba visa Ben no deba.
Rampacho Tienka, lawyer say visa Ben ya or deba aha.
And we a friends independent visa until me share code and once I'm the actual airport immigration me remember.
But one tick Kromoha. Because you're the Mawa, you're sitting at Kromoha. Okay. Well, so what you have?
Yeah, me back be 1 month and after 2 weeks my sign back.
Oh, here possible why? Because one tick Kromoha. And because one tick no, say onya indefinite stay, now apply as a spouse, or about 2.5 years. Wouldn't mean Ghana 6 months, now on my 1 month, now on cost 6 months, now on my 1 month. That's just a one tick Kromoha. It's indefinite, you know. So, almost your residence now, about how I do it. Why?
Hello.
I'm say call Pacho Tienka.
Pacho Mantimon Kakra, and Mako back to my Facebook no answer me question if your mamma me.
And now said, yeah, a basis, ya member lawyer san you are no biom into ube hangi up na with ye na or case a bay kakrabata lawyer be you are no biom send your account to me assign then ako Facebook but lawyer pacho sisuka kribi emano na koso niti wo baby a uti bi until wo hangi up niti na lawyer insisu biom kakribi mao. That's it, be so Alfred. Thank you.
And we have rules now, so we'll be a spouse. It is outside the UK for more than 180 days in any particular year. And we know also what Ghana, no about 1 month now. The whole year, no, what only 2 months, what Ghana 10 months. And I say, what Ghana 11 months, no, what 1 month. Society and I say, won't her. It's because one thing, or yeah, indefinitely now we are residential requirement in the burial. And our man also see money almost school or Ghana, which means almost almost here. But so why are you so about better there? And you're better now if you was started the process now what they are qualified.
Brilliant. Thank you so much, lawyer. Why, dear, as always. I don't pay BWF Solicitors and I train como lawyer Bernard and we are no fair amayen baby amubiano will be to me a friend 0208 226 0484 0208 226-0484 and a landliner and a bolso no now what time so no edaha 03777 near me and 1950989 03777 1950989. Send your who will be great to me every free Ghana. Baby will be a higher rainbow radio. Your friend me Jojo Emmanuel Lawson. Young call near ne callers no ending komokaka. Call up agent ha. Pacho call and Pacho good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Pacho what to say?
Pacho Uncle Ben, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, wait, just a quick question. Pacho, yes, yeah, invited me mother-in-law. But normal visit visa. Na yenya message you say almost a further investigation about documents or the buyer and all that. But I did almost over a month and send almost email paid service. Oma responded, your friend Oma responded. So I'm just wondering say how long na almost it will take before we respond or we make a decision on the application.
Sometimes, say, other enquiries. Application it to me check. And the only thing I make me I can is, obey me a trauma, and I say delay, obey me a complaint, or call online complaint form now. Obey me a this a complaint form. That's just why a complaint. Why?
But and the only option I say be a complaint because yes, you send the email. Any idea about nothing?
Yes, say what friend no one send email, no one kasa ho. Complaints in the omo time I was somebody respond. You know, yeah. Now our mother-in-law the date of birth and the reference number. IGWF now. What is so Bemao response? Why?
Okay, that's the
Okay.
Yeah, that's a bit brave. So what, Fred? I don't pay your call back or line. So call and Pacho. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Pacho, meeting lawyer Kasa.
Pacho, Odaso, yeah, you.
You not a friend, lawyer Bernard Abonabaso.
Okay.
Everybody me pa.
Oh wow.
I think the I mentioned the now. Now he was my lawyer. That was 31 years ago.
Wow.
Yeah, 31 years ago. Albert.
Wow.
Now he was my lawyer. Oh, yeah, very, very, very good.
Wow.
So I just imagine this years ago, 31 years
wow.
ago. Yeah, he was my lawyer.
Amazing.
They say, I don't know what I should say. They say, I'm missing lawyer, the number. But what's the moment there now? Was like, oh, we're calling no media. I'm emotional because he was the person who have made me who I am today.
Oh.
It's in a friend about most of these years.
He's a British passport, sir.
Hey.
Yes.
Wow.
He's a great guy. It's my last I said, no more than some young but none of my calling them me catch it up. I will record it and send it tonight. And that's me, friend up on a basso now. Oh, we have selection for all what this year did for me. I don't think. So that if you get me bad those days, but everything this all years. It's the guys more grandchildren, that's me, friend up on a basso. And that for Pani Eric, but no US or Phoenix. None of that for Pani Eric. Has also for US, Arizona, Mukono. In a year, can't last in my head. In the say, we are not one no man, no Jano, a friend briefly, my friend, no Madonna. That they will some Kennedy or what he did for me those days and those years. And a friend said, they say, man, also know why I permit you all the time. That's such a spiritual person, they say, you are ma, minya, on Fabi, and me to be brave, and you would do my way.
Amen. Amen. That's it. Wakasama was secret gume. Lawyer, we dear Debia Nya call ni bisa question, but lawyer and dear Vacho Yanomai, why ya dear 31 years your boy basso. We dear Yano, we susu Yanomai because it can't always be said ye do question ye Yano. Lawyer 31 years dear. What boy Juma also into we susu Yanomai. Over to you, Jolati.
Yeah, okay. So, me started a Jumana me mid-20s. And that tells you how long I Jumano. That for me, what matters, so Bibia, you're looking at the effect. And Ebina Minia Aya or Becca say, as is here, our grandchild, Miss me or grandchild. I just say, you're quite, it was that time, okay, you will cry as is here, and your ma, 30 plus, and almost all my but Ibia, did Ibia mechanism, the Obia, no, swaba. And Tinabaso, the problem is, sometimes I mean to me, no, you baby, because share, baby, a horror security zone, I mean, yes, sure, will be crediting me. And I would be was last over tonight, now, when our client to be now minimum London. And I'm saying, oh, I had him say London for the and come on, but those were the days. Law was law. It was only a few of us in the Ghanaian community and lawyers. Nyamia dom, yetimi, I training lawyers, be brave. I'm as I say, Ghana, you're not short of lawyers. For me, if I leave the scene now, I want to be remembered, sir. When I started, there was no radio, there was no TV. We started legal radio with people like Space Clotty, who are from Voice of Africa, who's now in Ghana. Near you in the bedroom. Can radio.
Nami wo hokra, nami wo those.
Oh no,
nami wo. That was sweet street.
Yes,
plus to each
Absolutely. And sometimes, but for me, what matters is your young ones. I have trained young, and I've trained so many lawyers in the UK. All over the place. And I ask sometimes, but we keep doing it. Once I have life, I mean, I'm still a young man. I can run, I can swim, I can walk. I'm still here. Once I'm alive, I will keep serving the community. Yeah.
Need cry. I say I'm still here. It's all say I'm still here. Young so near and copy calls no mujina. So my idea. Ye the quinina yen crunch. We say obey here and crunch. Also for here and crunch. I buy and penny for in here and crunch. Why England team crown way dear. We now here crunch. We all need encouragement. Lawyer Bennett, why dear papa. Into young coso call us motor. Young cosini anymore encodinco. Call and Pacho. Good morning.
Bacha, good morning.
Thank you.
Me bacha michia woni lawyer Ben.
Yeah, that's a bit brave.
Me bacha me question is me overstay. And na sisia no
the first me ko parents route and a party me move back on. But me way no year 5 years me ye juma. E wo me am way mu. See lawyer can person me who say me person me application na. Omo be who say me ye juma eno no ejuma no on be stopping no whilst I me the application abetuma na accident.
Oh, yes. So was setting. I assume so was setting, and I wouldn't have setting.
But your Debbie, or make him to me win, send 5 years into still a Juma no, that's a Juma.
Well, I mean, for me, Obi any of best stop. Of course, our employer no risk a fine of up to 40,000. But say home office for why application, I would assume say we argumenti or me best stop. No, I highly unlikely. So me best stop. It is a why application now. I was so cost of.
But after na me de babe.
Okay, so babe application na uni asset na. Adwuma enye requirement. Nti de ne ade a so we are concerned na o permit disclose so say we adwuma. Why?
Me battery.
Okay.
O say me ba, ma me nka say me adwuma. Me fancy application ni ma na say.
Because so wa overstay wo kromo ha. Adwuma English accommodation enye requirement. So wa overstay because we use exceptional routes na what they are almost exempt to one yama bebre. Enti so we are concerned so we adwuma no because I know na we didi so we be lose to say adwuma na dia and your men function so we application agina wo ba so na say wuku
Me ba sure you say no me ba no wo ho e na me partner no so enti me say me who say the way na best for me to use
because we overstay no be here mo mi nyina we be here wo ma ana we be here wuku enti wuku ye adwuma memfa wo adwuma nkɔhye so why
me patch you
okay
but you me that's a pan ya me show
why are they say what free anope so utia higher rainbow radio will be to me afraid and 0208 0484 0208 0484 and our WhatsApp line is 037719 50989. Ebia na me born in tem. Enche bia no lawyer be sorry if we na konya so obese ohene etna se kakra ibu ana ohene abre kakra. Wa nim se lawyer for the omedwuma no eden edoso. Nti frɛ obese buy now or don't call later but we see obetimi afraid 0208 226 0484 0208 226 0484 and WhatsApp line is 0377 7 195098. You're from me Jojo Emmanuel Lawson yene lawyer Bernard Ifri BWF Solicitors and a trinkomo yanko ni ene kolei enko trinkomo kolam pacho good morning.
Pacho good morning.
Good morning pacho want to say
Nyamiando pacho namosi.
Oh, that's it. You share me. But your question at home, my lawyer ready.
My question is that me want to now. I'm a mammy. You will hold no more. What are you beautiful?
Pacho Pija Nene Kakra, my Pacho Pija Nene Kakra, my yeah. Woman too. Yes.
And I'm my adopted Waka home. Now, I'm a mammy wo UK or only business no worry. No peso be fan kwalano. Nankwalano umbibia midine daso. Pese mi fine out there. Now possible say obetimi na be form na.
Okay, brilliant. Into lawyer, call or Ghana and or free Ghana. Thank you.
Yeah, okay, Techie, obetimi abefawo na bibi wo ho a friend is so responsibility. And only idea misro because that's so responsibility. A legal requirement, but it means in Kolana di diem among them, omatari shame, omusku kum, omoyari, omadam for fa, or no your decision. Some Kolana te wincha. I am very unlikely say obetimi show so our sole responsibility. nti no ene ade a ɛha me kakra but of course possible once or one kwa de obetumi abefa ne mma nkrofo form mma every week of the month every time omo de omo ba either on a skilled worker route and I say be obe worry obi foforo wa nti possible but I was so sure say or evidence na or dey chere so or so responsibility no ebi yes school friend or free school the report na bre no ɔno tue school fees ɔsɛne sika no ɔkɔma school twerɛ no nkɔlaa no ɔmo wɔ problems ɔno na ɔne ne kasa sɛ ɔmo yare a ɔno ɔfrɛ hospital or arrange all those bi a wadelegate no but sɛ wo na nkɔlaa no te wo nkyɛn a very very unlikely sɛ obɛtumi ahwɛ saa de
Me ba na akwala baako ne adopt no so no ɛno so yɛ possible so obetumi de aka ho.
Sɛ Ghana no ɛyɛ a moka adoption a ɛyɛ a monka legal adoption kɔ yɛwɔ customary adoption sɛ wɔadopt no wɔ court na ɔmo yɛ no under deɛ yɛfrɛ no yeah nti ɔnyɛ ne ba ɔnyɛ adoption legally na nyɛ ne ba why
okay yeah that's it bebre so wafre yenko ne mfa ko ba mienu bi mfa nso ne niam so ne yenko yenim anope mo bomodin papa Ghana for de ye bomo aba so so wuti a higher Rainbow Radio you from me Jojo Emmanuel Lawson ye ne lawyer Bernard Enetrin come from BWF Solicitors ewo krumaya Kola Mpacho good morning
Uncle Jojo.
Yes sir good morning Mpacho
good morning Uncle Ben.
Good morning. Yeah, yeah.
I could be with the so me friend, me boa basso. And maybe Oba na o church let's say now we sala ba no uti kwanya ese o faso prepare san na wako. Enti o ka se obi nyamboa omra nche no kureni meba office wa momo amama dua consultation fee na we do wa ela wo ma me obisa me ma so tina me wo kru ma de me ye no kure ni kwa na wo ye ma me di se ye usi ya no kuru ma ni so pa nti me swenya me se wo shira me ba wo shira me to ko so each dawo nyame shira no tro ma si adie bia da wa kuma so bia Jesus Christ nyankopɔn just do no rade ma osaka na onfa bambo if divine mo enfa force for the family nyame ka so
meso medas ne mpai ne de na mabobi ama me pa medas pa for Jojo ade bia meka for us now a community service and the yabetimi aya aboa community no yeah although say yentimi nye ni nyina no but the yabetimi ya bo ntimi so menua aya me de say ye ba ya ye ma no aye yie masisi also ho ato yenkoso mo aboa ye ho na ye nyina remia no that's okay
Oh, yeah, that's it, rapping. Yeah, that's it. Hey, obviously, a good name is better than riches. If we are saying Sika you, but a dimpadi untimi ento uko commercial world, your friend of brand integrity. And no, dear, ubeko lawyer be or not lawyer, no, or a liar on your lawyer. Why you seek the consultation club GD? But look at it, we see a Jumano Ekasa. Ekasa, you know, and it's absolutely brilliant. It's once again, Lawyer Bernard, why ya dear papa. Yeah, that's it. Niyan ko nimna yamfa college. You may say 1-2, but we'll just give it just one more go. Intiano pay so for ubit me a friend. Just last one, we'll give just two more. Just last 1 and 2 near the Ejumadi and I Aberry 0208 226 0484 0208 226 0484 and WhatsApp line is 0777 1950 989. Yanko near Nicola Indigo. Colampacho, good morning.
Hello, morning.
Good morning. Pacho, what to say?
Kwade mo hoye pampacho ya mechia lawyer na fiso ya machia wa nkasa also.
That's bebre. Why you dear so afraid? That's pa you that's in Chinese in crunch. Pacho, for a question at all, am I lawyer ready about?
Bacho question me when say madam Fubina fikesi mfo so ni mu na omuso ni mu no ya na oni nkata ntino ya ema or the spouser etum na spouser no oma nyantum ndi oma nyantum no sa be na so no ya ne ho kani a ne partner no onyim na tambia so no ya okọ home office epoko sign ntisi ya no ya last month no si okọ so kwa sign e no ni omudi nkomo no mo kire ne se owo a on fa akura no be set no enfa nsani email bi timi busa se owo a on fa email on fa be set nsani home office kuna na say ya onye parent root application with us.
That's it.
On your parent root application because bibia no pe asetena I was say we application. Tis on your juma krana obetimi aye fee waiver now the aye nti on your parent root application form of no from FLRFP na fee no ye almost 4,000 but say on your juma obetimi aye fee waiver to fill fee waiver forms na wɔ bank statement anaa ne partner na wɔ bank statement na ɔde 6 months account but bank statement no deɛ ɛwɔ so biara ɛwɔ sɛ ɔtwerɛ sɛ bi a ɛnɛ yɛde weitua rent yɛde weitua bills gas water electricity wɔyɛ council tax explaining ne nyinaa sika bi a ɛwɔ bank statement no so biara no sɛ yɛ more than 200 pounds a ɔntwerɛ ade ko a ɔmode sika no yɛ sɛ yɛ pay na ɛbɛn mu a ɔntwerɛ wages sɛ yɛ benefits a ɔntwerɛ na onye na ontimi engine fee waiver no home office fee ni body what they can IHS no ho a it's 3,900 plus which is almost 4,000 and that's a lot of money enti onye fee waiver no fanya opeso call lawyer house opeso buy a house so you know obetimi aba and obetimi afra office na lawyers ni bi na kasa why.
Well, yɛdase bebree watekɔ yɛdase lawyer wabɔ adwuma ɛnɛ wabɔ adwuma wobɛsɛ da ne da nyinaa wabɔ adwuma brilliant watena akonnwa yi so akyɛ ɛna wayɛ adwuma no nso akyɛ absolutely brilliant anɔpɛ yɛne ebia Pamela sɛ Pamela wɔ hɔ a anaa wodeɛ lawyer yɛmfa kɔla baako yi na yɛmfa nkɔ yi no wobɛsɛ we intoms ane intosoɔ nti color baako yi deɛ ɛyɛ ntosoɔ yɛde color wei ɛne yɛde awie adwuma na yɛakɔ yi na yɛtie pɔtɔ kasa sɛ Pamela anaasɛ obi a ɔwɔ ha ɔne yɛn ɛbɛdi nkɔmmɔ no wie no na yɛakɔ yi nim nti yɛnkɔ yi nim na yɛne color yi nkɔtwe nkɔmmɔ color mpakyɛw good morning.
Good morning, Jojo.
Thank you. Pacho, what to say? That's it. Lawyer Bernard, are you ready, Amma?
Good morning, Uncle Bernard.
Good morning.
Uncle Bernard, me pacho, we there. The very passport here, and I'm signed that so how you.
Pacho, my question in Koso am I?
Yeah, me pacho, me apply for me passport, but in number. It's not maybe that and we free office and can book your appointment number. And I'm pacho me to be sound once more here.
You're very careful about color passport. You be so reduce. The I mean, him said home office and your intelligence. And you're very careful. I mean, me share Facebook. Questions be a bit more bisano. You're very, very, very extremely careful. To me, encourage you. Who decide general question, I'll be to me. But who bet me up? I mean, meaning baby, here now fever.
I'm patching me grace here.
Okay, into for office now. On a Sandra Casa. I miss your more special dispensation. Now, on for share me lunch break on a bra. Why?
Okay, after.
Okay then. Yeah,
Your free exit. Into you say offer your mouth special exit. Okay, because we call boarding school. You say free into fresh Sandra na. Into fresh Sandra na Sandra Emma free special assistance to
All
Lawyer
right
Bernard.
then.
Into
Okay, thank you so
free
much.
Grace Stone never seen a call North London Lawyer Bernard Emma free. Into okay, you say wona Lawyer Bernard say brano.
Okay, thank you so much.
Uniha, Yamisha. Thank you so much, Fred. Wonderful. And see we Jesus. Wonderful. Inti ano pe yung ko yun ni fa ejumadi ni NBA game ba ke welcome back na gbe ke mba bia ne no ani ka o ganyo jibo no bo to ile mi nganye fe ekolele bi na oye konke ke na mi nganye fe fanti fode oye eto na fanti do. Inti e cha wonyina. Let's go forward na yene ebia yenu aba Pamela and ebia ba e ba between kom no abono tofa na o game ba ke e ba the kuku the concluding part of this broadcast. Yeah, that's a bit brave.
Good morning, Jojo. Good morning, Mr.
Morning.
Wusu. Good morning to all our lovely viewers. Today, our topic is on the 14-day rule myth. Are you really safe after your visa expires? So, a lot of people who have made applications and their applications have been refused usually have 14 days to appeal or apply for, admin review, make their appeals. Some of them are not able to do this because they've not been given the right of appeal. And so they would like
Just
to make.
hold on, Pamela. I think Lawyer Bennett's mic. There's a bit of a noise on the background.
Sorry.
Brilliant. There's a bit of a noise in Monshets of mine. Thank you. Of course, mine. Thank you.
Thank you. So there are some people who this doesn't apply to, and they would like to make a new application within the 14 days or after the 14 days. There are also people who they have a valid application which is about to expire, but they've been told that even if it expires, they have a 14-day grace period to apply, and that even if it expires and they apply within 14 days after the expiry, they are safe. Now that's where the issue is. That's where it's a myth, because when you overstay after your visa has expired, you are an overstayer. It doesn't even matter if you have overstayed for just a day or an hour or even like maybe a few minutes, you are an overstayer once your visa expires. But for the purposes of your new application, if you apply within 14 days after your visa has expired, you will be given the opportunity. The Home Office will consider your application without necessarily penalizing you. But that's just for the purposes of making your application. It's not for your general legality in the UK. So if you've overstayed, you will not be able to work, you will not be able to rent. Even if, let's say, you have a bank account, they can cancel it because you are an overstayer. So if you're an overstayer, you will not be able to get your share code. So if you put in your application, let's say after it has expired, but it was within the 14 days, if the Home Office also takes about 6 months to make a decision on your application, you have overstayed for the 6 months plus the number of days your leave had expired before you put in the application. So the problem that this brings is, although you have now gotten another leave because the Home Office have granted you a new leave, when it gets to the time you have to apply for your indefinite leave, they would refer you to the time where your visa expired before you made your application. So they will tell you that yes, you made the application within the 14 days, but then you were still an overstayer, and so it has broken your continuous residence in the country. So you'd have to start your whole process again. So when it comes to your indefinite leave, when it comes to your British citizenship application, that continuous residence would have been broken because you applied after your visa had expired. Now, this will not apply for people who made the application when they had a valid leave and then their leave expired whilst their application was still with the Home Office. You are generally safe in that situation. And if you also make a fee waiver when you have a valid leave and your leave should expire, then you are protected under Section 3C. So those category of people too are safe. But if your visa has expired, you do not have any application, you do not have any fee waiver, although the Home Office would give you maybe your new leave because you applied within the 14 days, in the long term, it could potentially be a problem because your continuous residence has been broken. So please do not believe or do not rely on that 14-day period, thinking that although your visa has expired, you still have 14 days to put in a new application. You can do that for the purposes of your application, but then for the purposes of your work, your rent, and your other, life in the UK, you are an overstayer. Whether it's by an hour, whether it's by a day, whether it's by a month, you are an overstayer. I hope this helps all of us. Have a blessed day. Thank you very much.
Thank you so, so much, Pamela. Thank you. Absolutely brilliant, as always. Why ya dear overseer Ejuma Pa Moyi Juma Ewohono Yaboma Baso. Pamela, once again, thank you so, so much for always doing and delivering a brilliant, brilliant, brilliant summary. Once again, so utia aha ye Rainbow Radio, you're from me Jojo Emmanuel Lawson, any BWF Solicitors, and I train como and as a NAD and como demand for baka and como del pa. Why insure ena obesie wabwa yende yebetum yakoyenyim nkranfo back like ewawo ojugba koni wonye woya hie wonya hie ojugba ye ma name no fan no ni amba feel wobanye woya hie. So it's absolutely brilliant. And pay yanko na lawyer Bernard any entry and come over say okwa so yes closing prayer closing prayer boy ye di pon ejumadi ni once again and dear lawyer Bernard overseer some report for 2 my na thank you so much.
Yo Jojo yadase bebre yadase say obeka. The final thing I'm person mechanic say first of all my obia mess the visa deadline because a deadly say o mess a restart o process ni nyina bio amount mean to us on your juma amount mean to us on rent die and to be our visa bia no betimi a data eba bewu no fa share phone so as an alarm and an alert na che say be alert 3 months before na che say wetimi aye preparation na time no so na odi akọ mema obi anso nka nkyerɛ say ye wo we deadline bi wo ho ana say ye wo period bi wo ho a cover I don't know say we your application within the 14 days are okay and you okay even 1 day even 1 hour so midnight pound about 1 a.m. I work following day and non so you okay to bet me always your application better so no earlier since obey later for us the who here say once I what to fee na 10 years aso we are indefinite ya the mouth straight as I will break it de bia na 1 day abeto so na 1 week abeto so 1 day 1 week no be catch you don't worry exception for say yen penalize or say wa overstay your application now but a bad indefinite a bad adwuma a bad a dan a be affect you yes or no because say you every day no minim say na obi nya adwuma say na affect no krom wan so nti say Ghana obetimi afa wan ti bi ho no ama o aduane bi adi unfortunately no woni income wuntimi ntua rent wuntimi ntua aduane wuntimi ntua atare wuntimi ntua mobile phone no nti na eneye program yi but also importantly no sana ya affect your indefinite leave to remain no I will say the bia your application and sana I hope say we boa obi but crash madam for now frey no pay me number my mobile number na 07712 761 884 into 07712 761 884 but me professor mo be office na 0208 493 7640 0208 493 7340 so frère saa 0 na ɛwɔ hɔ no from 2 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 wobɛtumi afrɛ a ne nyinaa yɛ numbers a ɛbɛkɔ obi hɔ enti Mr. Lawson Jojo yɛda wo ase mekyia Dr. Mark ne Irene so nyame adom a next week nso Frank ɛne mo bɛhyia yɛda mo ase bebree bye bye.
Yadasi. Once again, Yadasi Bium. Lawyer Bernard, Yadasi. Yeah, you didn't come on that callers, no, about neba. Senya, Lawyer Bernard Eka, you know, next week, Thursday, Yabewa Habiuma. Only himself, Rainbow Radio, the Debia Yetaha, and a Debia no, Yadaso, about BWF, Obesia, one more contact details near the day. But say, Biana. OT baby chire na bia wontimi ma na bia opese ubisa question one next week Thursday so Lawyer Bernard anase senior kai no Lawyer Frank woman nyina every BWF Solicitors woman be wa ha na woman yen atwe enkomo anase woman yen edi nkomo anope bibia wo bia mechia adofo mechia ma mene papa game ba ke ni me kename hefe ninye yole minganye fe Eversu say efo pleto video nya video chamunyina my dear. It's been a great joy and a pay. You're from me, Jojo Emmanuel Lawson. Young Cosiniti, Mitsina ha, Edicopem area. Yeah, podcast of 1,400 hours. Yeah, Demois and your papa. Any great information, news, and word that will, of course, captivate and then literally bless your day. Into baby will be a Kosoa Nefa Ufidi Nofa to her Rainbow Radio 92.4 FM London, DAB Radio Manchester, DAB Radio, of course, London as well, and DAB Radio Milton Keynes, the city of roundabouts, MK Dons, and a one football club, train station Milton Keynes. Central OTA so ewo yede so ewo tuning application na chese bibia wo bia ewo wiasim afane nyinara obanye obo toi wa de nche fantofo bakade ebetum etie papa ni enko yenyima. You can also listen to us on Roku TV. I didn't say TV dear, but not in this case we also share nature Facebook, but in the meantime will be to me etie ewo Roku TV or show Netflix no say box no etete hot bibre but Roku no so but Rainbow Radio itimpa ube to me etien wo ho ana say bia audio etien wo ho ye chemuna ye dem so our Apple TV. What that simply means is that you get to listen to us and yeah Apple phone you get to listen to us our Apple TV now the Apple ni Android there akwa say has ne kotoko so you can also listen to us on Android TV as well inti etf say we name Android TV so Rainbow Radio ye dem ho last but not the least or least but not the last Amazon, yes, Amazon, yeah, the order name, but guess what? Rainbow Radio, you demo our Amazon Fire Stick TV, absolutely brilliant. Inti se unima will be to me our Amazon Fire Stick TV. Anope me chemunya adofo bibia will be a koso anefa ufidie no ekoso etoha because metena ha kopim area 1,400 hours we can no Inti once again it's been a joy. Yanko na simaka krebi yentwa ye ho yentwa uten kakra ni yamfa niamano entohuja ni enkunyini. Once again you're from me Jojo Emmanuel Lawson. Thank you so much.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specializing in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner, with over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.